Hello.
Happy Friday. Happy Labor Day weekend.
Welcome to another edition of our PNW Adventures. We are here in the beautiful Mount Adams Wilderness, back at it in one of our favorite spots on Mount Adams. Okay.
Sorry.
And no mosquitoes.
Very little mosquitoes because I think I got
what?
A bit of my leg.
Crap. But we're here. We got camp going up on here a couple days. Doing a hike tomorrow. It's gonna be about almost 3,000 feet. Going up.
Prepping for that Mount St. Helens summit.
Yep. So yeah, we'll cover that tomorrow. But yeah, tonight we got a little camp going on. You know, or what we do.
Oh, we brought out the big guns.
Oh, we brought out that big
luxury, luxury right there.
Luxury tent. Hey, it's Labor Day. It's probably one of our last camping adventures of the year. So, whatever.
Morning. It is, I don't know, under 40 degrees. It's a little cold this morning. Good morning. It's cold. It's echoey. We are at Killen Creek Trail. We're gonna do, I don't know, 11 or 12 miles today. Gonna climb about 3,000 feet.
Almost.
We had to get a climbing permit from the recreation.gov to get up to Glacier Lake, where we want to go to.
Yep, we're going Killen Creek Trail to the PCT to High Camp Trail to High Camp, and then up to Glacier Lake. So whew, it's gonna be a
It's gonna be an adventure, that's for sure.
Yep.
But hey, this time, no mosquitoes.
No mosquitoes. It's nice.
Yay!
It's only 40 degrees. So.
Only 40 degrees, so layered up. Looks like there's a lot of people on the trail today, so we'll see. But it's sure to be a fun adventure. And
it's beautiful.
Thank you for joining us today on our PNW Adventures.
Word.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, we're at 1,000 feet and a couple miles.
2.27 miles.
2.2 miles. Been a good hike, straight up feels like. But
straight up.
yeah.
We get some reprieve on flat spots, so that's nice.
Yeah. And now we're sitting, so.
Been all through the forest, so it's shaded.
Yep. We're almost up to Meadow and Creek and probably a shot of Mount Adams, and it's gonna be beautiful, so stay tuned.
PCT. So last time we did this is where we stopped to attempt to eat lunch, and we were just swarmed with mosquitoes, and we couldn't even sit for more than like 5 minutes. We didn't rest at all this entire hike that we did like 4 years ago. I feel so good to be able to take breaks and not be swarmed.
All right, time to go up to high camp.
Oh, another 1,000 feet.
Yep, about 900 feet. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Well, that was fun to go up. It's like straight up. Almost to the top. Oh, sketch bug. Look at it go. Hell yeah. We'll let that. And up. There you go. Look at us go! What? Hell yeah! Conquering this. Oh yeah, we're there, baby. Give me das Puls. And then give me the Hans. Give me the Hans Gruber. There you go.
Hi.
There we go. It has been 4 years since we've been up here. Something like that. Last time we were here, we were getting swarmed with mosquitoes. Not this time. All right, we have officially made it to high camp. All right. Well, after a little bit of munching and some recuperating, we are on to our next adventure, which is Glacier Lake, which is
that way somewhere.
Up there somewhere.
So
another this is gonna
600 feet.
Yep, 500-600 feet. Gonna be a doozy of an adventure. So let's go.
I literally feel like I'm on top of the world right now.
So, got lost a little bit, and yeah.
Can't find the lake, but
it's trail. There's no trail.
There's no trail.
You got to go across boulders, and we're not doing that.
But we have this amazing view.
So,
good job. All right. Now, figure out a way back down.
cool.
But at least we got our money's worth out of our over 7,000 foot climb. We're at 7,123.
7,123 feet.
Total ascent of about 2,700 feet.
Yeah, we started at 46, so.
We rocked it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. It's time to head back down.
Yep. Saying goodbye to high camp and back on our trail. Back to the trailhead.
All right, we are headed back on Killen Creek Trail. Got about 2.9 miles till we get back to the car, which means fiercesses. We just past the PCT intersection and past about like 20 people going up to high camp. Good luck.
We freaking did it.
Yay!
Done.
And we're done.
We're done.
The last 45 minutes felt like I was moving at the pace of a turtle.
Yep. We did 10.5 miles and ascended 2720. Yep. So it's beer 30. Let's go about our half a mile to our camp and get our beer on.
And get cleaned up because
there's that.
Good morning, happy Sunday.
And that's it from our secret campground. Even though they know what trailhead we started at
I'm sure
yesterday.
you can deduce where we camped at.
All right.
It's not Tackalack.
We're all packed up. No trace left from us as usual. And 2.5 hour drive home. So, yeah, thanks for joining us
on our PNW adventures. See y'all next week.
Peace. And welcome to PNW. Discuss that.
It's a little cold this morning, so we made coffee first thing to get warm. All right.
There's one for the bloops. Did about the outro. Did about the dish.
Yay! I think I totally missed it.
Get it? Oh, you got it. You got it. I think you did. Oh, fuck. Oh, that hurt my face. Oh.
Good morning.
And that's it from Killen Creek Campground.
Shh, we're supposed to tell them.
Oops. Take two.
All right.
Right there.